So, curious fellows, today we'll discuss about the future of democracy, the challenges faced by democracy, and their possible solution. As you all know, democracy, the system where power is held by people, is facing unprecedented challenges. From rising authoritarianism to the decline in trust in institutions, the future of democracy is hanging in a balance. One of the biggest challenges to the democracy of the present era is authoritarianism, where power is held by some group of people. Another challenge is declining trust in institutions. Citizens are losing faith in government institutions, media institutions, and overall institutions, leading to polarization and disengagement. The spread of disinformation and propaganda is undermining democratic discourse. Social media platforms are amplifying false information, which is making it harder for citizens to make informed decisions. Experts suggest strengthening institutions, promoting media literacy, and encouraging citizen engagement can promote democratic values. So that's all from today's video.